Hello, friends.
Sorry, I don't talk until Dan tells me to because I always start too early and it ruins the transition.
Just say hello.
Hi, friends. Is that okay?
That's great. A lot of things to update you on in this video. In order, so last thing we showed you guys was the market. That was amazing. We love that so much. That was on Friday. Finished up work on Friday. Didn't do anything after work really. Saturday, we spent all day at Amstel Park. Doing what?
Catching Pokemon. I was doing steps. I was walking around to get my steps in while Dan catched his Pokemon. We had lunch there at a place that was not very good. That was like the first restaurant we had that wasn't very good. And then, so the park is really cool. It's very family oriented. There's like a petting zoo with like goats and alpacas and all of that. And then there's like there's mini golf, and then there's a little arcade type area where you can ride like a mini train, and you can like also like play with these boats in the water. I wanted to do it, but what was it, like 7? You couldn't be older than 7 or something.
Yeah.
So there's also a train that goes around the whole park, and I convinced Dan to get on that with me. We were the only people that didn't have kids that were on that, but it was super fun. So that's what we did on Saturday. Now I am. A rare sighting of me using the GoPro.
Right.
I bet Dan uses none of these clips because they're gonna be tragic. What hour are we on?
I don't know. Someone had to stop and eat, so really cut down on my pokey time.
Oh. Have you made any friends yet?
No. Too scared to go talk to people. Too scared to go talk to the pokey groups, the pokey gangs that are around.
Well, there aren't many individuals, but...
No, there's like gangs of them. Very intimidating. No,
What are we doing?
I don't know. Riding on this train car.
Dan's annoyed at me because I'm making him ride on this like little kid train that was so close to my face. On this little kid train around Amstel Park. So
How's our day at the park, sweetie?
it's so nice.
Very relaxing.
It's very relaxing.
We are in
I've
front
been
of.
here for so long.
We left
Like
at
3
noon,
hours.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Something like 3 hours. Pokemon doesn't sleep though, so there's so many people playing.
It's crazy. Everyone has like second chargers or like
They got their portable charger.
Yeah.
People have second phones, like rocking 2 phones.
Yeah, it's intense.
People don't mess around. I was too scared to go up and talk to them, to like be their friend and like join them at some point.
They all had like, or not all of them, but a lot of them had matching shirts on too, so we think there's like some Pokemon club.
Here they come. They're coming back around.
Oh yeah. Oh, here's the guy you were gonna ask.
Well, that's the ringleader. I'm scared. His club might be too exclusive for me.
Yeah.
Who knows? But
We gotta go so Danny can ask him. Toodles.
yep. And then on Sunday.
Nothing.
Super lazy. Oh, we got to go back to Friday. Really quick. We went out to dinner on Friday.
I thought that's what you were talking. Oh, you were talking about the market.
Yeah.
And I was thinking you were talking about the market
No.
where we had dinner. And I was like, you didn't feature that in the video.
No.
Yeah. So we went out to dinner with two other. Well, one girl's working for BDO, but she's from San Francisco, and so is her husband. We absolutely love them.
Yep.
Like, we get along so well with them. We hung out with them again last night, which was Monday night. Yeah, they're wonderful.
Yeah. Great people.
Yeah, we're gonna probably go on a lot of trips with them and
Lots of dinners.
lots of dinners. I can see us just becoming lifelong friends for sure.
Yep. Hopefully they get an apartment near us whenever
Yeah.
we get apartments. But anyway, so I guess to kind of get my thoughts back to where I was on Monday, which was yesterday, we worked all day obviously, and then went out to dinner again, like Steph mentioned, to another market that was similar to the one that we had talked about previously, like the downtown market. This one was a little bit more downtown Amsterdam, and it had more options. Like, it was just like, I mean, there had to be 20 different food options there, right? That you could pick from, and then just sit in this like commons area, very similar to the downtown market.
It's called Food Holland for anyone who goes.
Food Holland, very, very much recommend.
I'm shocked, like after being to these two places, shocked that the downtown market doesn't have a bar.
Yep. Yeah, all these places have multiple bars.
Yeah.
Both of them had like wine bar.
Yeah.
Both of them had like a separate beer and liquor bar. But yeah, they would make a killing at downtown
I know.
market.
And then it just like makes for an even more like hangout atmosphere too.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, we sat there for
a long time.
An hour and a half, 2 hours maybe,
Yeah.
just chatting, talking about things, and went out and grabbed ice cream, and then just kind of walked around a little bit downtown, and then came back. So anyway, now it's Tuesday.
You skipped Sunday kind of, but that's
Yeah,
okay. We
there
didn't
wasn't-
really do anything.
Yeah, it wasn't really anything to talk about too much. So Tuesday, it's been an eventful one. So woke up, started working around 8 o'clock or so, and then we had an apartment tour.
We forgot to tell them about our like
No, not yet.
Monday, like the whole PTO thing on Monday.
Oh yeah, you want to talk about that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, my ADHD brain is ruining the whole video.
No, that's good. Go for
Okay.
it.
So, yesterday at work, I like figured out how to run our PTO balance, and we get 6 weeks included, like that's including like this leave, and then there's something else they call it, flex time or something, and then we also get paid overtime, which we won't really work until busy season.
Yeah.
So we literally won't work like 40 hours probably until January, over 40 hours. So I do the calculation, and it's allocated based on how long we've been here. And so we're only going to be here for like 3.5 months. So we only
Before January 1.
before January 1. So we only got, what did I say, 12 days or something like that?
12 and a half days, because it was like 12 divided by 8 months. No, 12 divided by 5 months or something like that. Or
No.
4 months.
No, we only got 12 days because it was the total. We end up getting like 260 some hours, but they allocate it based on the 3.5 months that we're here.
Yeah, okay.
Well, we have like 20 some days of PTO planned, and that's on top of us thinking that they had holiday closure like the US has, where you close like for the full time between Christmas and New Year's, so we don't have to take PTO for that. So one, we panic. We're like, oh, okay, so we can't even take all our PTO, which we have flights booked for. And two, we were going to be home in the US for 2 weeks, and now we really don't even have PTO to be home at all.
Over Christmas.
Over
yeah.
Christmas.
Yeah.
So we're going to try to work remote
From the U.S.
from the US around Christmas.
Because we don't have enough PTO to take that time off.
Yeah. But I guess if someone says we can't work remote, then we're going to have to say, okay, well, you can't schedule us and we need to take the PTO and we're going negative.
Right.
Because we have to go home, at least for a week.
Mm-hmm.
So it'll be interesting. We're canceling the Austria trip because that was the only one we didn't have the flight booked for. So that's a bummer because we were really excited for that. We might still just go on the weekend, but it's pretty expensive to go. So it's going to be hard to justify just
On a whim.
on a whim. But
Yeah.
if it gets cheaper, we'll do that.
Yeah.
So that was kind of stressful. I don't know. It'll work out. We'll be fine. That's what I keep telling myself.
Yeah. It'll be all good.
Okay. Sorry. Back to Tuesday. All you.
No, you tell them what happened today. It's been hectic.
You tell them.
So we had an apartment tour at 10:15. This isn't the one that we've been talking about, but it is one that we found late last week that we actually really like. Not in the area that we necessarily want to be in, but it's very close. It's very close to downtown, close to Vondel, close to Rippenberg, which is where we want to be.
Has a canal view.
It has a view of the canal, and the pictures online looked beautiful. So we're getting ready to go there, and we get an email from the lady that we've been talking to about the apartment that we absolutely love. And what's the email basically say?
The email says there were 80 people who applied. She went through her selection process and basically narrowed it down to a select few, especially only focused on people who had sent her bios, which I sent like a whole very detailed bio. And she was like, you guys have been selected.
So right before we leave to go look at this apartment.
Sorry, not selected for the apartment. Selected for like, we got narrowed down into like a subgroup.
Yeah, the first round of cuts.
Yeah.
So that appointment and that viewing is tomorrow, Wednesday. So we just get this email and we're like, oh, okay, now we're going to this apartment. With that kind of in our mind.
Yeah.
Which made it tougher.
Yeah.
But I got some footage of the apartment in the surrounding area. And I'm going to put it right here.
We'll do that tomorrow too, so everyone can see what we've been like holding out for this entire time.
Yeah. Yeah.
But to top
we
it off,
loved it.
Yeah.
We loved it.
What?
We loved that apartment.
Today?
Yeah, it was so nice.
Yeah, it was very nice.
Had a really nice kitchen, really nice living room. The 2 bedrooms were nice. The balcony was big. It was super nice. Area was cute, super nice around it. Like, the buildings were cute.
But it still didn't top our number one.
Didn't top our number 1. At least we don't think so. We'll find out tomorrow.
Yeah. So we fast forward to middle of the day. So typically you're in contact with a real estate agent who is like finding someone for the apartment on behalf of the landlord. But once you get like way narrowed down, the landlord like will pick who's there. You don't necessarily talk to them, but we did get invited to like one meeting with a landlord. So it depends. So I've been sending emails to the lady for the apartment that we love. thinking that she was the real estate agent. And I'm just like raving about the area because Dan and I love the area. Like, we spent all weekend. We spent Friday night there. We spent Saturday there after Amstel Park. And we just like hang out there like we live there because we love it so much. So I was telling her how we spent all weekend there and we just fall more in love with that area every time. And this afternoon she emails me back and she was like, yeah, the area is so great. I actually have lived here for 15 years. I'm the owner of the apartment. So little did we know, this entire time we've been talking to the owner, which is great for us. Like, I feel like we have a good relationship with her already. I've been very direct with her about how badly we want this apartment. So I think she's been able to see that from the beginning. I have a email already drafted basically saying, like, we want the apartment, here's this. So when we leave tomorrow, if we love it, we can just send it. So, yeah. I guess the next video we have, we'll let you know if we put an offer in, and maybe we'll let you know if we have it. Because she did mention in the first email she sent today that she's hoping she loves a candidate from the first day so she can cancel Friday's round of viewings. So
Hopefully that's us, and hopefully we're the reason why they canceled the Friday round.
yeah.
I guess another thing is, like, the fact that we're dealing directly with the owner. It would be nice if we could stay in contact with her, and if she like moves out early or whatever it is, we could actually get in into that apartment in September. And if we had to overlap with the apartment, or like the short stay,
Yeah, it's not a
then
big deal.
it's not a big deal because BDO's covering that. But anyway, so that's what we're doing. Gonna have dinner tonight, and then tomorrow we have the viewing. We'll try and pull together some footage from that. Do a little chat about what we thought of it, and then we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
Anything else?
No, I think that's all.
Cool.
I'm excited for the next update.
Same.
Because, what's today? So the next update will be Thursday?
I don't know. Whenever
we do it. But there's going to be a lot of things because we get the Tesla on Thursday. We move out into the new apartment on Thursday. And we leave for Italy Friday.
Yep.
So,
Bing bang bop.
yeah. About to celebrate my 26th birthday in the town of our wedding venue. So that's really
right.
exciting.
Yep. Very exciting.
So, yeah. All right. Talk to you later.
Toodles.
Toodles.